Hi, I'm George, and I'm one of the Stanford Code and Play section leaders, and I wanted to give you a quick preview of what I'll be talking about at my Ask Me Anywhere. Back at the start of vaccinations in January, I was trying to help my in-laws get vaccinated, and they found it was extremely difficult to do it because the Department of Health just had this long list of 700 different locations, and there was no information about where the vaccines were actually available. And of course, we know that for a long time they were very hard to come by. So I got together a few friends and we created an open source project, and a lot of that project was written in Python. And that project has culminated in this website here where you can choose on what kind of availability sites have and what their vaccine type is. You can use the map here. You can search by zip code. You can even go in and register for a text as soon as availability comes up in a zip code. So I'm going to be talking to you about the process that it was almost like a Shark Tank getting told by everybody, no, 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 we're not interested. But I eventually got this project up and running. We collected over 100 developers writing code for this. I'll show you a little bit of the GitHub and some of the Python code that we wrote for it, and talk about how we use databases and had to interact with a lot of really current top-notch development techniques like AWS Lambda. And I'll be showing you how we were able to pull together a band of volunteers and help over 1 million people in the state of Washington find their vaccines. Look forward to talking to you then.